Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is introductory electronics and SLOs of these topics are identify and draw the symbols for the logic gates, not, or, and, nor and NAND gate. State the action of the logic gates in truth tables formed with two inputs. Describe the simple uses of logic gates. Logic gates. Logic gates are actually the implementation of the logic operations. And what are the logic operations? Logic operations are the actually logic gate is the switching circuit. That is a digital circuit, right? And the operations are on which logic gates depend. These are called logic operations. Actually, Boolean algebra has become the main cornerstone of digital electronics. It operates with two logic states, that is 1 and 0, represented by two distinct voltage levels. Boolean algebra's simple interpretation of logic operations and, or, and not has allowed the systematic development of complex digital systems. These include simple logic gates that perform simple mathematical as well as in intricate logical operations. Logic operations may be thought of as a combination of switches. The idea behind the logic gates. The AND gate. This is the connection or circuit of the AND gate. AND gate are connected in series. Switches are connected in series. If two on-off switches are connected in series, they must be closed or at on position to complete the circuit and light the lamp. If either A and B is off or open, the bulb is off. We say the output of the gate is 0. If both A and B are on or closed position, the output is 1. The OR gate. This is the circuit diagram of the OR gate. OR gate is connected in parallel. The switch is connected in parallel. If two switches are connected in parallel, then only one needs to be closed or at on position to complete the circuit. When both the switches are open or at off position, the lamp is off. When both switches are closed, the lamp is on. Basic operations of digital electronics. AND operation, OR operation, NOT operation, NAND operation, NOR operation, and NOT operation. These are the basic operation of digital electronics. AND gate. AND gate is the implementation of the AND operation. The symbol of AND gate is this: two inputs A and B and one output, that is C. If input is 0, both input are 0, output is also 0. If input A, one is input is 0 and second input is at one position, output is 0. If A is 1, B is 0, output is 0. If both are at one state, then output is 1. So in case of AND gate, only the bulb is light up when the both inputs are at one state or on position. OR gate. OR gate is the implementation of the OR operation. Its symbol is like the shield, two inputs and one output. In this OR gate, only at when the both switches are off position, then output is off. And all position output is at on position, 1, 1, 1. If either A is 0 or B is 1 or B is 0, A is 1 or both are at one state, the output is 1 or lamp is light. Third gate is NOT gate. In NOT gate, one is one input and one output. The symbol of NOT gate is this triangle along with this circle. If input is 0, output is 1, and if input is 1, output is 0. NOT gate is also called the inverter. NAND gate. Actually, NAND gate is the combination of AND gate and NOT gate. A NAND gate short for NOT and AND. Okay, because this NAND gate is the combination of NOT and AND gate, so it is called NAND gate. It's the same as AND followed by NOT. You can see how we squished the symbols together. This is the symbol of AND gate, AB input and Y is output. Then the NOT gate is connected with in front of the AND gate, and this invert the result or output of AND gate. The final symbol of NAND gate is this AND gate symbol along with this small circles which shows the NOT gate. The truth table of NAND gate is if A is 0, B is 0, then according to AND gate, output will be also 0. But in NAND gate, output is 1. If input is 0 and B is 1, output is 1. Input A is 1, B is 0, output is 1. And it both are 1, 1, then output is 0 because of inverter. NOR gate. A NOR gate or NOT or OR is the same as OR gate followed by NOT gate. We merge the OR and NOT symbols together to get NOR gate like this. You see, NOR gate followed by this NOT gate, okay, and both symbol is equals to this shield, and in front of this shield there is this small 0 which represent the inverter or NOT gate. The truth table of NOR gate is A0, B0, A plus B output is 1. A0, B1 output is 0. A1, B0 output is 0. And if both are 1, 1, then output is 0. This is the truth table of the NOT gate. Formation of NOT gate from NAND and NOR gates with the resultant truth table. We can also form the NOT gate with the help of NAND gate and NOR gate. Okay. In NAND gate, if 0 and output is 1 and if A is 1, output is 0. So it is also called NOT gate like this. There is NOT gate with the help of AND gate. If there are two inputs connected in one single input along with inverter, then it becomes NOT gate. And this NAND gate is also formation of NOT gate. You see, NAND gate is equals to the NOT gate. Uses of logic gate. NOT gate, you see the example of NOT gate. Temperature logic gate, NOT logic gate is used as a temperature detector, okay, on or off. There is only one possibility. Central heating, on or off. If the temperature is above 20 degrees centigrade, then the central heating is switched off. If the temperature is below 20 degrees centigrade, the central heating is switched on. Alright, so NOT gate is using as a temperature detector in this way. Example, A and B are the inputs. The aim is to find the output Q for all possible combinations of A and B. You see the diagram. one is the AND gate, this is OR gate, and this one is OR gate. Okay, you have to make the truth table of this combination of gates. A and B are the inputs, and we have to find the output Q. So first of all, A, B, okay, and output is X. Output is X. If A is 0, B is 0, then X is also 0. And if A is 0, B is 1, X is 0, because it is a AND gate, and in AND gate you have at 3 position off and only 1 position on. Okay, then Y. Y, A, B. A, B, A 0, B 0, Y is 0. A 0, Y, B 1, Y 1, because it is OR gate. In OR gate, only one time is 0 off position, and 3 well, states there is on position. In OR gate, 3 positions are at on position, and in AND gate, 3 position are off position. Now Q. Now X and Y are input of this Q or OR gate. And as you know that OR gate have 3 possibilities of on position and one is Q. So output is 0 when X and Y both 0. And in other states, all the at one position. Another example, fill in columns A and B with all possible combination of 0 and 1. In this case, there are only 4 possible combinations. Add intermediate columns X and Y for the outputs of the first 2 logic gates. Fill in column X where X is the output of A n and gate X is equals to 1. This is the steps of working of the previous example. How can you write these truth table? This whole circuit can be simplified to a single OR gate with A and B as the inputs. Okay, you see the answer of this is OR gate. The output is OR gate. In OR gate 0 1 1 1. So output is equals to OR gate. Example number 2. A and B are the inputs. The aim to find the output Q for all possible combinations. Same method, okay, but here this gate is NOT gate or inverter. Okay, AB is 0, X is 0. Okay, because it is AND gate. So in AND gate at 3 states it is off position and only one state it is on position. At Y, that is inverter. So just invert all these states 0 1 0 0 0 1 and 1 0. Okay, so there is only one input. Then Q is again, this is OR gate, so it becomes 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1. The steps of this combination are written. You can help these steps. Logic gates working together to make an alarm system. Another use is to make an alarm system. There are two sensor, light sensor and body heat sensor. Okay, this is the combination of NOT gate, AND gate, and the sensors. So this is bulb as an indicator of alarm. To check that combination behaves as I intended, you can write a truth table for it. In this case, the light sensor's output is low in the dark. The body heat sensor output is high or 1 if someone approaches. The final output Q must be high for the lamp to come on. Okay. Use of logic gates. Burglar alarm. We can use logic gates in electronic circuits to do useful tasks. When the switches is closed, one input of the NAND gate is low. When the LDR is in the light, the other input is low. This means that if either of these things happen, that is the switch is closed or the light is on, one of the inputs is low. The output is high and the buzzer sounds. This is another use of logic gates. Freezer warming buzzer. This is also used when the thermistor is cold, its resistance is large and the input to the NAND gate is high. Since the NAND gate is connected as an inverter, the output is low. As the thermistor warms up, its resistance decreases, the voltage across it falls, and the input to the NAND gate falls. When it becomes low enough, the output becomes high and the buzzer sounds. Thank you, students. I hope you can understand the logic operations or logic gates.